everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amofa, and for the people that are just joining this train, thank you for subscribing and thank you for watching another video. And for those of you that have been with me from 0 subscribers to presently at 300 plus subscribers, thank you so much. You guys are the real MVP. Today I have a quick protective style that I'm going to show you guys how to do. We're going camping tomorrow, so I said, okay, let me do something very quick that I could just pack my hair up and not have my natural hair out. Today I'm going to do some jumbo braids. So this hair I have had in twists since Tuesday and is presently Friday. I have about 14 twists in my hair, and that's what I'm going to use to do my jumbo braids. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to do it, and let me just show you the back. Now please don't judge me, I won't judge you if the lines are not straight. So I'm using half a packet of Expression kanekelon. I'm using Expression braiding hair. It's 100% kanekelon hair. I think that's the way they pronounce it. Like I said, please don't judge me. Don't know why I'm in the singing mood. And this is the width of the hair I'm going to use. And in the half packet of Expression, I was able to section out 9 parts, and I have 14. But I remember that I do have some braiding hair that is black at the base and grey at the tip. So I think I'll put that in the front here, wherever I want the parting to be. So I'm going to start off with this one. And I'm going to show you how I start off my braiding. As you can see, it's like this. I've stretched it out so the tips are not blunt. I'm going to take 1/3 of the braiding hair. 1/3. So that's basically this. 1/3 of the braiding hair. And I'm going to loop it around the bigger portion. So this is how it looks. This is the smaller portion and this is the larger portion. And that's how I'm going to braid into my 3 strands braids. Okay, come closer guys, let's see what I'm doing. So I have unraveled this portion and I'm going to start off by braiding this one. Now before I start, I'm going to take my Eco Styler Gel number 10 Maximum Hold Olive Oil. I'm going to take some Blue Magic. I'm going to divide the hair into 3 portions. 1, 2, and 3. So I'm taking 1 portion of my hair, I'm putting it with the smaller part, like so. I'm taking another portion of my hair, I'm putting it like so. The third portion is going in with the rest of the hair out, and I'm going to begin braiding. the back using the expression. So right now I'm just taking scissors and I'm cutting off any flyaways. And I do notice that on the black expression I have less flyaways than I do have on the ombre braid. So I'm gonna scarf down my hair to lay these edges and just give it extra hold, because I don't really use heat on my hair, and that's the only way that I can get these places to lie down flat. In consideration, I think the next time I try and do this type of big braids, I will do the rubber band method, where you use the rubber band to hold your base so that it could stay together. Look at how shiny my face is. Such a natural glow. So I'm gonna see you guys later. I'm gonna dip this tip into water, allow it to set the edges, do a look on my face, and be right back. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is the finished look. I just added a bit of jewelry to the hair jewelry to the hair, and now I'm ready to go camping. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.